All right, today we're going to bring a metal scaffold, and this is about 6 feet by 6 feet by 2.5 and 2 foot. All right, so this scaffold can carry up to over 1,000 pounds, believe it or not, 1,100 pounds maximum capacity. Now this one you could actually scale it even higher if you buy additional ones. Now inside it does have an internal latch that you could just climb from the inside instead of the outside external, but it's simple to just climb. It's like made like exact like a ladder, an external now, but very stable. And if you guys can see, you could add up to 2 or 3 people on here. So just make sure you're using your safety devices when you're climbing this high. Now the scaffold was simple to actually roll out. It has locks on the wheels and easy to move around from place to place. 2 people could be on the top, 2 on the middle, and so forth. It's perfect for painters, perfect for anybody that's reconstruction and needs that extra high step that you need. So I hope you guys enjoy the